Hello friends and hello my students. Welcome you all again to my YouTube channel. I am Yogaraj Joshi from Baroda High School ONGC secondary section. Today's my subject is Sanskrit of Standard 9th English Medium and today we will continue chapter number 6 Sarvam Charutaram Vasante. Everything is beautiful in spring season. Remaining slok number 5 and exercise of this chapter. So let's start learning. Sarvam Charutaram Vasante. Everything is beautiful in spring season. So we have already learned four slokas of this chapter in our last two videos. And today's video we will wrap up the remaining chapter by one remaining sloka followed by exercise of this chapter. So let's continue learning. First, I will read the slok number 5. किं किंशुकैशुकमुखच्छविभिर्न भिन्नं किं कर्णिकारकुसुमैर्न हतं मनोजै यत्कोकिलः पुनरयं मधुरै वचोभिः यूनां मनः सुवदना निहितं निहन्ति किं कैशुकैः शुकमुखच्छविभिः न भिन्नं किं कर्णिकार कुसुमैः न नः हतं मनोजैः यत्कोकिलः पुनः अयं मधुरैः वचोभिः यूनां मनः सुवदना निहितं निहन्ति. Here first we will see the words which are sandhi words. Here first sandhi word is Shuka Mukha Chavir Binna. Shuka Mukha Chavir Binna. And we will disjoin this word. It becomes Shuka Mukha Chavi Bihi Naha. Next sandhi word is Karnikar Kusumehi. Karnikar Kusumer Na. And we will disjoin this word. It becomes Karnikaha Karnikar Kusumehi Naha. Next sandhi word is Madhurer Vachobihi. Madhurer Vachobihi. And we will disjoin this word. It becomes Madhurehi Vachobihi. Next, we will see the words which are compound words. Here, first compound word is Karnikar Kusumehi. Karnika. Karnika means oleander. And Kusum means flower. And Kusumehi means by many flowers. By many Karnika flowers. Karnikarasya. Karnika means oleander. Sya is the suffix of Sashti Vibhakti singular. And Kusumehi, the main word is Kusum. Okay. And Aihi is the suffix here added. So Aihi is the suffix of Trutiya Vibhakti plural. Trutiya Vibhakti plural like Ramehi, Balakehi, Pustakehi. Okay, and we will translate this word. We will get the answer by the English suffix by and Sanskrit suffix is aihi. Kusumaihi. Okay, let's see the next compound word Suvadana nihitam. Suvadana. Su means good, beautiful. Vadan means face. Su in beautiful face. Su is the suffix of Saptami Vibhakti plural like Rameshu, Balakeshu, Pustakeshu. Nihitam means residing. Saptami Vibhakti Tatpurush Samas. Let's see the meaning of these words. Your first word is Kim. Kim means what? Kim means what? Next word is Kinshuk. Kinshuk means Kisuda. Kisudo. Kinshuk means Kisudo. Okay, Kinshukehi. Aihi is the suffix of Trutiya Vibhakti. Trutiya Vibhakti. Okay, instrumental case plural. Instrumental case plural. And we will translate this then we will get the answer by Kinshuk flower means Kesura flowers. By Kesura flower. Okay, so by and with the English suffix of Tritiya Vibhakti means instrumental case plural. Next is, let's see the image of Kesura flowers. This Kesura flower, which is bright like beak of parrot. Okay, let's see the next word of this. Shuka mukha chavi bihi. Shuka means parrot. Mukha means beak. Okay, Shuka mukha chavi bihi. Mukh face. Chavi bihi. Beak means उसकी चांची जरा. Mukh chavi bihi. Chavi means bright. Chavi bihi. Okay. Kisura flowers which is bright like the beak of parrot. Na bhinnam. Next word is na bhinnam. Not broken, not attracted. Okay, in this context, the meaning and attracted. Okay, so now understand the literal meaning of this line. It says, "What is by Kesura flower, which is bright like the beak of parrot, not attracted?" Means who is in this entire world not going to attracted by beauty of Kesura flower, which is bright like a parrot's beak. Next one is Kim. Kim means what? Kim means what? Karnikaha kusumehi. Karnika means oleander and kusumehi means flower. Mehi, aihi is the suffix of Tritiya Vibhakti means instrumental case plural. Aihi, and we will translate this word. We will get the answer by oleander flowers. Okay, aihi is the suffix of instrumental means Tritiya Vibhakti plural. Karnika means kusumehi. Let's see the image of Karnika flower. Next word is Manojahi. Nahatam, sorry. Nahatam means not killed, struck, not not attracted. Manojehi, Manognehi, दोनों वर्ड चलते हैं. Manognehi means beautiful. It is adjective of Karnika flower. Okay. What is not struck means attracted by beautiful Karnika flower. Next word is Punaha. Punaha means again. Yat Kokila. Yat Kokila. Ayam Kokila. Ayam means this. And Kokila means cuckoo. Let's see the image of cuckoo. Cuckoo means quail. Kokila. Next word is Madhurehi Vachobihi. This word also Tritiya Vibhakti means Aihi suffix here added and Vachobihi. So this word also Tritiya Vibhakti plural. Madhurehi means sweet voice, sweet queen, sweet queen, sweet Vachobihi. Madhurehi Vachobihi means by sweet voice, sweet queen. Instrumental case plural like this. Okay. Next word is Yunam. Yunam means youth and Nam is the suffix of Sashti Vibhakti plural like Ramanam, Balkanam, Pustakanam. Okay. Yunam means of youth. Manaha means mind. Next word is Suvadana Nihitam. Suvadana. Su means beautiful and Vadan means face. Suvadana of beautiful woman of face of beautiful woman. Nihitam in residing. Okay, next word is Nihanti. Nihanti means kills. By this cuckoo's sweet voice means its queen kills the mind of youth residing in a beautiful faced woman. Means the mind of youth which is residing in beautiful faced woman means attracted by the beauty of woman is killed by cooing of cuckoo means sweet voice of cuckoo. Let's see the whole translation. Who is not attracted by the kinshuk flower which is bright like the beak of parrot? Who is not killed by karnika flower? Moreover, cooing of cuckoo kills the mind of youth residing in a beautiful faced woman. Let's see the exercise of this chapter. Here, first question of this chapter. विकल्पेभ्य समुचितं पदं चित्वा लिखत. विकल्पेभ्य समुचितं पदं चित्वा लिखत. Choose the correct option from the following. Choose the correct option from the following. Your first is वसन्ते पवन कीदृशो भवति. वसन्ते पवन सुगंधि भवति. The answer is सुगंधि भवति. कः मधुरैः वचोभिः मनः नयन्ति. Okay. The answer is कोकिलः. The answer is कोकिलः. Next is रेखांकित पदस्य समास नाम लिखत. रेखांकित पदस्य underlined word. Write the name of underlined word समास name. वापी जलानाम. Vapi means lake, pond. Jalanam is the of what of lake waters. Okay, water of lakes. So here nam is the suffix of Sashti Vibhakti plural. Jalanam, Vapi Jalanam. Okay, so answer is Sashti Tatpurush Samas. Next is Padma. Salilam Sapadmam. Salilam Sapadmam. Padma means lotus. Okay. Salilam means water and lotus means Padma means lotus. Next word is Vadan. Vadan means Mukham. Suvadana Nihitam. Suvadan. Suvadanam means beautiful face. Let's see the next question of this exercise. अधोलिखितानां प्रश्नानां संस्कृतभाषया उत्तराणि लिखत. वसंत सौभाग्यं कस्मै ददाति. The answer is spring season provide beauty to whom? The answer is Vasanta means spring season provide beauty to water of lakes. Vapi means pond, lake. Water of lake. Pramada Janepya means beautiful young woman. Amra Drumebhya. Amra means mango. And Druma means trees. Amra Drumebhya means okay, mango trees. So Bhagyam Dadati. So spring season provide beauty to water of lakes, young woman, mango trees. And mango trees. Alka kidrushaha santi. Alka means hair. And kidrushaha bhavanti. Okay, how is hair? The answer is Alkaha chalaha nilaha chasanti. Alka. Chalaha means fluttering and black. Fluttering and black. Hair is fluttering and black. Laksharasa-ranjitani vasansi kidrushani santi. Laksharasa-ranjitani. How is the clothes which are painted with sealing wax? The answer is Laksharasa-ranjitani vasansi tanuni santi. Thin clothes which are painted with sealing wax. Yunam manaha kaha hanti. Okay. Who struck the mind of youth? The answer is Kokilaha, the cuckoo, the killing the mind of youth. Vasante jalam kidrusha bhavanti. Vasante jalam kidrusha bhavati. The answer is how is the water during spring season? The answer is Vasante jalam sapadmam bhavati. Vasante jalam sapadmam bhavati. In spring season, water with lotuses. Next is Matrubhashayam Uttarani Likhata. Matrubhashayam Uttarani Likhata. What does the spring season give and to whom? Okay, the spring season provides beauty to the water of lakes, young ladies who wearing waistband of jewels and which is and having luster like moon and mango trees bent with bed of flowers. Okay. Next question, on the basis of poem, write 5 sentences of on the spring season. According to this chapter, write the 5 to 7 sentences of spring season. Okay. So next question, ख विभागेन सह यथार्थरीत्या संयोजयत्. Okay, join the words from the column K with those from column K correctly. Here first is Salilam. Salilam Sapadmam. The answer is Salilam Sapadmam. Next word is Pradosha. Sukha Pradosha. Sukha Pradosha. Next is Pramada Jananam. Okay. Alkeshu. Pramada Jananam Alkeshu. Next one is Guruni Vasansi Vihaya Turnam. Guruni Vasansi Vihaya Turnam. Abandoning heavy clothes quickly. Vihaya means abandoning. जनः धत्ते तनूनि vasansi. Tanuni means thin clothes. Okay, tanuni vasansi. People wearing thin clothes. Okay, so now our chapter number 6, Sarvam Charutaram Vasante, is completed here. And next video we will discuss about new topic or new chapter. So thank you students.